Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings. As you can see at the first place here we have the assistive grid option, so these are the grid lines on this device, and by using this button you can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. And for now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera to show you how it looks like. As you can see, it shows us these lines, and this is useful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them, so these lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need this, we go back to the settings in the right corner and slide again to the general settings, tap on this option. So for now this is turned off and the grid lines have gone here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.